Stop what you're doing, I have figured out something amazing. I have come up with a recipe for sourdough cornbread cookies. Yes, that is correct. The delicious cornbread cookies that you have heard of, maybe from places like Crumble and whoever else figured this out. We will begin by dicing your butter, and we are going to melt it a little bit in the microwave just to soften it. We are not melting, just softening. Make it look something like this. After it's softened, you're going to add your sugar, you're going to add your honey, and then you are going to mix them up together. I recommend an electric hand mixer, but if you don't have that, use a whisk and some mussels. We don't need to go crazy here, but you want to get some kind of a texture that looks like this. Nicely creamed together, and then you're going to add some egg yolks. I use the little shells and just kind of separate them like this. If you're done throwing salmonella all over the kitchen, you're going to probably go ahead and grab a rag. And with the egg yolks, you're going to add your discard. I'm going half a cup. For funsies, I'll say 1 teaspoon of vanilla, but honestly, go ahead and measure with the heart. Who cares? Now it's come time for the flours. Here's what I use, but you are going to actually probably need to use some more flour if you have a runny discard like I did. So this is going to be different probably person to person, so just eyeball it, but you're going to eventually come up with some kind of a texture like what I'll show you. Like this. It needs to be able to be scooped and rolled and hold its form. Now I threw some sugar on the counter, and then you're going to scoop your balls. I used just a regular ice cream scoop, and I got this many big cookies. Excellent work, my friends. Now you're going to put it in the fridge, and you're going to follow, like, share, and come back because I'm going to show you in part 2 how to make them.